Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to create data visualization charts in Adobe Illustrator. We are going to use data generated by companies to create a pie chart. Then we will go further to customize the pie chart like the one on your screen right now. Without much ado, let's get started. Welcome to Brand and Graphics channel. My name is Vincent Annie. To customize these charts, we will first learn how to create charts in Adobe Illustrator. If you can't find charts on the toolbar, click on these three dots to change from basic to advanced. Select the chart. Detach the chart panel by clicking this arrow. Here they are, but in this video, we are focusing on the pie charts. Click on the pie chart, then click and drag while holding down the Shift key for a perfect sphere. To enter data, click on the cell and type. Click Enter. Type YouTube and click the tab. Then Facebook. Click the cell under each of them and enter data. I'm using random numbers. Click here to apply. Get to property and effect some changes. You can change the font type, the size. Over here, you can edit the graph data. Change the graph type. Or even recolor the pie chart. You notice that the black color didn't change for once. That's because no color has been assigned to it. To assign color, click on the advanced options. Click here to add a new color. Use this button to transpose row/column like this. Let me add more data. We have these pie charts now, but the problem is we don't know what the colors stand for. To address this, let's move the record a row lower by cutting and pasting. Now let's enter months as the columns headers, January to March. Apply. The month takes the color. You can import data through links or simply by copying and pasting your data. I would like to open my spreadsheet and copy the data. Paste it. Apply. Here we have it. So easy. I believe we have learned the fundamentals. Now let's recreate these charts and customize them. Create a pie chart. We are using Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. I'm using random numbers. You can use any random numbers, but if you want your pie chart to look exactly like mine, please enter the same numbers. We are not going to recolor. We are going to be applying gradient colors. Select this and ungroup. Once you ungroup, you will no longer be able to edit the graph. Then continue to undo until there is nothing to undo. You can apply gradient color or flat color, is all your choice. I have taken my time to create these gradient color samples. Notice there is no stroke, only fill. I am using the shortcuts V for select/move tool and I for color indicator. No stroke. The Instagram is the smallest pie, 20, so I give it the same color, followed by the YouTube, and lastly Facebook. I will duplicate the black background from the reference chart above. The background is just a rectangle. I created a rectangle and used direct selection to round its corners. Select the text by holding down the Shift key. Change the color, the font type, we are done with the first pie chart. To customize the next pie chart, let's duplicate this. Select the background and lock it by pressing Ctrl 2. Select the chart and group it. Then go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Change the location by rotating this cube. Click OK. Double-click to activate isolation mode. Click on this pie and detach it from the rest. Just before we continue, my next videos are on how to create isometric drawings. To learn how to design this isometric home on your screen and even more, please subscribe and ring the bell and you will be notified the moment I upload the videos. Moving on. You notice there are no colors on the extrusion areas. That's because there was no stroke or stroke color on the pie chart. We can add color to the extrusion by adding stroke colors. Click on the stroke. Even if the swatch opens, select the color mixer and click the last color if it's the same color as the fill. Select Facebook pie and do the same. But if the last color is not the same with the fill, select the stroke color manually, or you can even copy the fill number and paste it. To show you that if there are stroke colors on the pie chart, the 3D extrusion will have colors on them. Let's duplicate this. I've also prepared gradient color samples with stroke colors. Observe that there is stroke colors this time around. Go to Effects, 3D, Extrude and Bevel options. Now let's double click to go to the isolation mode. Detach the Instagram pie. Double click to exit the isolation mode. Notice there are colors on extrusion areas. Let me undo with Ctrl Z. To customize this one, let's duplicate this. Select the sphere and draw a circle right from the center, holding down the Shift and the Alt keys or Option keys. Select all and use the Shape Builder tool to remove the center. Select and group. But if the chart is not grouped before adding the 3D effects, this is what you get. So cancel, group, go to 3D and play with the cube for positioning of your choice. Double-click for isolation mode and drag them apart. Add colors to the extrusion areas. I don't really like this position, but even at this stage, you can still access your 3D for editing. Select the pie chart first, then go to the appearance panel. If you can't find the appearance panel, go to Windows and activate appearance panel. Click on 3D and play with the cube. That's good. I would like to customize the pie chart that is not on the reference images above. Duplicate this. Select the Instagram pie. Use the direct selection tool to click here and delete this part. Switch to stroke. Increase the stroke size to say 26 and round the cap. Select the Facebook pie. Do the same. Select the YouTube pie. Delete with the direct selection tool. Switch to stroke. You know the drill. To customize the next pie chart, duplicate the last one and apply the 3D effects. Here we are going to add flat colors. Use HSB and RGB to mix your colors. To reposition, go to Appearance, 3D, and push the cube around. Now let's customize the last pie chart on our list. Duplicate the first pie chart. Detach the pies from one another. Then create a circle at the center by holding Shift and Alt keys or Option keys. Change the color to the gray gradients. Select the type tool and type the percentage symbol on your keyboard. Duplicate the percentage symbol by holding the Alt key or Option key while you click and drag to Facebook pie. Facebook is 33%, so type 33% and adjust the color and the size. Instagram is 20%. And YouTube is 67%. Select the circle and add a drop shadow. Change the settings and press OK. There you have it. Thank you for watching, and please support my channel by subscribing, and you will continue to get interesting videos like this.